Hello, brothers and sisters. Let's talk about call to the brotherly friendship. We live in a time when many relationships are superficial and easily broken. Even inside the church, we sometimes risk living like isolated islands, forgetting that the gospel calls us into real and deep fellowship. The Apostle Paul wrote, "Love one another with brotherly affection. Outdo no one another in showing honor." Christ's calling is not only for us to believe individually, but to be part of one united body, where each member is essential to the other. This means that friendly interaction among brothers and sisters is not optional. It is a mark of true faith. John Calvin once said, "No one can have God as Father who does not have the Church as Mother." In other words, Christian life can only flourish in fellowship. Jesus himself gave us the greatest example of true friendship when he called his disciples friends. If he, being God, was not ashamed to welcome us as friends, how could we live indifferent to one another? True brotherly interaction means more than polite greetings. It means carrying each other's burdens, comforting the broken-hearted, rejoicing in victories, and weeping in sorrows. In practice, this requires humility, patience, and forgiveness. Pride and selfishness are great enemies of Christian friendship. Augustine said, "Where there is charity, there is no envy or pride." Cultivating genuine friendship among believers is sowing the peace of Christ in our midst. So, when we enter church, we are not stepping into a auditorium to watch a performance, but into a family to live in love. Brotherly interaction is a foretaste of heaven, where we will be forever united before the throne of the Lamb. Today, look for someone in your church and offer more than just a hello. Offer your time, listen, words of encouragement and prayer. You'll be surprised at how Christ reveals himself through small acts of Christian friendship. May the grace and peace of Christ be with you. I look forward to speaking with you again soon to share one more from the word of our Lord. Until then, remain firm in Him. See you soon.